If your home still works the same way it did 10 years ago, you might be doing everyday tasks the hard way. Lights stay on longer than needed. Appliances run when no one is home. Rooms never feel quite comfortable. Many people buy smart home devices, but they never fully integrate them into their daily routine. Today, we're looking at 3 simple smart home upgrades that can make everyday living more efficient. Before we begin, if you enjoy smart home upgrades, architecture tools, and practical living ideas like this, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. It really helps support the content. Now let's start. Most appliances still rely on manual switches. Smart plugs allow you to control those appliances from your phone or voice assistant. You can schedule devices to turn on or off automatically. For example, lamps can turn on in the evening, or a coffee maker can start before you wake up. This is often the easiest entry point into smart home automation. Lighting has a huge effect on how a room feels. Smart lighting systems allow you to adjust brightness and color temperature depending on the activity. You can set bright lighting for work or softer lighting for relaxation. Some systems can even adjust automatically throughout the day. Better lighting doesn't just improve visibility, it improves the atmosphere of your space. Lights and devices are often left running simply because people forget to turn them off. Motion sensors solve this by activating lighting only when someone enters a room. When the room becomes empty, the lights turn off automatically. This improves convenience while also reducing electricity usage. For many homeowners, motion sensors are one of the most practical smart home upgrades. Smart homes are not about owning more gadgets. They're about making everyday life easier. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking it and subscribing to the channel for more smart home ideas and architecture-inspired upgrades. And if you watched all the way to the end, thank you very much for your support.